All right, this is a really, really cool and clever design from PGYTECH for your camera or your phone. So this is going to be like a really strong braided, it's got a little bit of give to it, but not a lot. So it's a braided cord that you're gonna be wearing as a lanyard. It's got a little carabiner on this side to clip on. And I also love that they add this little orange guy right here, where if you pull it down, it's got a cloth so you can clean your lenses or whatever you need to clean, and then you just lift this thing up just like so, and it goes away. So it's gonna connect all the way to this point right here, and this is their smart little release system. So you'll have your camera attached to that or whatever, and then you lift. You have this little bead, and you pop that down, and it snaps into place, just like that. You'll hear it snap. One more time, just like that. And it also comes with this attachment, so it's another little bead right there. But you'd put this on your smartphone case, so it'll look something like that. You put your phone in there, and then it's gonna hold that nice and secure. So now if you're out, maybe you're skiing or something, and you wanna be able to use your phone really quick, just like this, pops on there, and now you're hands-free. So you just, boom, now I can take my phone off, and then I could put it back on. So it works with any kind of attachments that can go on to this little loop right here. So anything you'd want, it works great. You can adjust the size of it a little bit, and yeah, really high quality, and I love it. So if you need to be able to be hands-free really quickly, but also grab your phone and pop it off, or any other cameras, this is a great way to go. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.